Friends, my name's Christine. Welcome back to my kitchen, and I'm just going to show you a really quick project. I was making up some lunch for myself, a spinach salad, and I like hard-boiled eggs on it, and I didn't have any made up, but I wanted to show you the awesome little contraption that usually you can find at Goodwill stores, etc., to make them up really quick. So stay tuned. Okay friends, so this is the contraption I'm talking about. This one basically does 6 eggs. It's one of those little hard-boiled egg makers that you can find at Goodwill. But this one, you just take this off. It came with where you set the 6 eggs. It came with the puncturing contraption and the measuring cup all built into one. You take this off and it has a little very sharp end here that will puncture the eggs with. And then this is just like a hot plate. So I am going to puncture 6 eggs, and you want to do the rounder end. So I usually just leave them in the carton while I puncture them so they're not rolling all over. Make sure they're not already cracked at all. And all right, so then I'm taking this off and I'm just pressing straight down on it, and you'll hear it. And you can't push it any further than what it will let you. And it's curved inside to match the top of the egg. Okay, and I'm just gonna do 6 of them. Okay, so those are done. And I'm gonna put this back on right away because we need this to do the measuring. I'm not sure if you can see this, but it says if you want soft boiled, medium, or hard on the cup, and I want them hard boiled, so I'm going to fill that up to the hard level, and then that gets poured in the bottom here. I still don't have it plugged in yet just because you're messing with water, and you set this on the top, and you set that with the pointed end up that you just punctured. Set those in. And then you put the lid back on. The lid kind of goes on a specific way. It locks down so you can't pull it up. And I'm plugging it in. And there's a blue light on the front. And literally that's it. You can walk away, get your stuff made up, and an alarm will go off. So I'll let you listen when that goes off. Just kind of showing you what it's looking like. It is boiling in the bottom. And then I have my ice water ready. So as soon as this goes off, I'm gonna dunk it right into that ice water. Okay friends, it's done. So you just take that off. And I am opening it up carefully because it is hot and steamy, so always open it away from you. And then I'm actually gonna take this, it's not too bad, and I'm gonna put it right into my nice ice cold water. And I do that for 5 minutes. So I usually, hey Google, set a timer for 5 minutes.
Okay, 5 minutes, starting now.
And then I take the cup that we put the water in, and I just put water in this right away because it does tend to pretty much use all the water, so then it doesn't burn. And then I got my salad all made up, and I'm just gonna add an egg to that. Okay friends, wasn't that super simple? You just get them prepared and onto the unit, and you can pretty much walk away from it. And the alarm goes off, dunk it in ice water for 5 minutes, and they just peel like a dream. So I don't know if you ever have had issues with them peeling, but this is one of our fun little things that we have found. Several of them. My kids are probably tired of hearing me talk about these little hard-boiled egg machines, but we originally saw one up at our friend's house. So, and it made us want to get them because just perfecting that hard-boiled egg, you hear all the different things. Soak them in salt water and let them go to room temperature and la-da-da-da. Throw them in the oven in a muffin tin. Well, I don't do any of that. This is what I use. I actually have one more, a bigger one that can do a dozen eggs at once, but my husband and I, we usually just do the 6. So hope this helped you out. Keep your eye open at Goodwill or Salvation Army or Savers or what have you, whatever thrift store you have around. and they are super good investment. So thanks for coming with, guys, and I'll see you next time on Christine's Routines. Take care and God bless. The super quick way that I can make them up real quick, super quick way to make them up real quick, same thing. All right, try it again. So I can hear it pretty much from pretty much.